Vamos a la playa. Yes. Hello from Platja del Pouet, located approximately 25 kilometers from Central Valencia and close to the small town of Perello. You see, it is a beautiful Monday, and compared to the central beaches of Valencia, this one doesn't have that many people. You see, it's nearly empty. But also it is a Monday, 12:50 p.m. right now, and I'm starting the beach adventures today along the coast. And I took the bus 25, which takes you from Central Valencia to El Perello. The bus ticket was only €1.50, and now I'm gonna explore from here onto going to the direction towards Valencia. Many beautiful beaches, and this looks a lot more better than the ones as I have visited the previous 2 days that were in Central Valencia. Here the sand, it's much better, it looks like. So yes, as I have too many beaches, let's then to visit, let's then kick off right away and take the first beach adventures for today. So today it's a bit chillier than the previous 2 days. Oh, dead jellyfish out on the coast. Yeah. So right now it is 25 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was 34 at the most, but it's also a bit more chillier at the sea because of the wind. And believe me, this water over here looks much better than the one in Central Valencia. It's amazing. There you can see El Perello. It's at the end of the picture. And yes, there are so many beaches also along this coast southwards, but I can't visit them all in one day, so I need to prioritize. And yes, I did also a bit of sightseeing this morning. I thought that I would go directly to the beach, but then I noticed that I haven't visited the central market in Valencia. Central El Mercado is it called? I don't know in Spanish. And it was very nice. I mean, the architecture inside was amazing. I have also taken a look at the Valencia del Norte, which is the central train station. Not that I'm traveling somewhere with train, but it was very nice to visit the interior of the station. So yes, here you can see the beach. There are totally 10 people I see inside, maybe 20 if I look very further down. But yes, this is Platja del Pouet, located 25 kilometers from Valencia. And it's time then to take a swim. Let's go! Oh my god, it's amazing. The Mediterranean Sea is brilliant. If I was about to live in Valencia, I would have cycled every day to these places. I saw many cyclists along the roads, and it's the perfect cycling distance that I usually do actually in Sweden. I do even longer. Cool. Then let's wrap up from Platja del Pouet, and I'm going to show you some more beaches later on, even nudist ones, so watch out for that. And thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!